4:45 right now. We're gonna get a little early jump on the morning.
Creaming up on midnight.
We're gonna go get ourselves out in the hole. We don't want to get beat, and because I've been beat this year, and it ain't happening. It's the last weekend. We're going hard. That's what we're doing. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens.
Anybody need shells? About 350 rounds.
Okay. No way. Yeah. Hey, dude. Yeah, you can tell how his bill flares out on the sides.
Beautiful bird right there.
So this is a greater scop, also known as a bluebill. Its younger brother, or whatever you would classify it as, a ringneck. People call them blackjacks, but lesser scop. His bill is more flared out towards the ends, just like that.
We'll have another round.
That was crazy.
They're gonna come in like waves like that. Get ready. Like have shells ready to reload. We'll fly right back at us.
Sick. Kill him! Kill him! Oh, kill him! I got one of those. 4. Hell yeah, boys! Yeah, let's go, boys!
We got 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, kill it!
There we go! Right. Hey. Wait. Yeah, hey, let's go, boys!
Kill it!
There we go.
Nice.
after our morning hunt, came out for round 2. We're on our way to a different spot and we just see birds laying on the sheet water. Super shallow. These green-winged teal are doing it dirty. These birds are diving in here right now. It's not even 3:30 right now and we're halfway to our limit probably. If we don't run out of shells, we'll limit on green wings tonight, I'll tell you that. If they keep flying like this, so we'll just see what happens. They're flying good though. They're flying good.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Chasing down a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Six man, baby.
When it rains, it pours.
Congratulations. Six
Water's
man.
up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Facing on the sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me.
How was your Kansas trip so far?
The best we've ever had in my life. Ever. We had a 6-man limit. Limited out.
Man, it's been great. I can't complain.
How's y'all's trip been so far up to Kansas?
It's unmatched, man.
Day
Doesn't
one,
get better than this.
Can't ask for a better hunt right there.
Started off a little slow this morning. Picked it up in the afternoon. Finished the job.
I mean, we were picking up decoys and they were still landing right on top of us. You could tell those birds wanted in there. I mean, a mix of green wings.
For a better Saturday afternoon.
Exactly. I mean, what time is it? Let's look. It's 4:45. 4:45. And we're done. Everything picked up. Back to the truck. That's how we do it. That's just how we do it.